Let's dive straight into one of the most fascinating and important topics in biology, gametogenesis, the process that creates the very cells responsible for human life, sperm and eggs. If you've ever wondered how these cells are made, or what's really going on in those mysterious chapters about reproduction, you're in exactly the right place. We're about to break down the science step by step so you can finally understand what all those diagrams are trying to tell you. Whether you're prepping for an exam, curious about how life begins, or just want to impress your friends with some cool biology facts, stick with me. We'll turn confusion into clarity and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Let's start with spermatogenesis, the epic journey of sperm production. Think of it as a high-tech factory running non-stop, dedicated to creating millions of tiny, specialized cells every single day. But what actually happens inside this factory? Let's break it down stage by stage. Spermatogenesis takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. It all begins with a type of stem cell called a spermatogonium. These cells are like the raw materials on the factory floor. Through a process called mitosis, spermatogonia divide to produce more stem cells and primary spermatocytes, the first step toward becoming sperm. Next comes meiosis, the key to making sperm cells with half the usual number of chromosomes. Each primary spermatocyte undergoes the first meiotic division, producing two secondary spermatocytes, each with half the original chromosome number. Then, these secondary spermatocytes quickly go through a second meiotic division, resulting in 4 spermatids, immature sperm cells, each with just 23 chromosomes. But the journey isn't over yet. These spermatids must undergo a dramatic transformation called spermiogenesis. During this stage, each spermatid elongates, forms a tail, flagellum for swimming, and condenses its DNA into a streamlined head. The acrosome, a cap packed with enzymes, forms at the tip, crucial for penetrating the egg later on. Excess cytoplasm is shed, and the mature sperm is finally released into the lumen of the tubule. The entire process of spermatogenesis, from spermatogonium to mature sperm, takes about 64 days, and it's happening all the time. A healthy male can produce up to 1,500 sperm every second, adding up to over 100 million sperm a day. This constant production ensures that there's always a fresh supply of sperm ready for fertilization. Sperm are built for speed and quantity. They're small, highly mobile, and designed to compete in a race to reach the egg.